Van Carlton Detective Agency by Mikazuki Publishing House. Van Carlton sat behind his desk, flipping on the 30-inch LCD monitor across from him, and started browsing emails on his desktop computer. Van Carlton was constantly getting offers to take important cases and in many ways fashioned himself as a modern Sherlock Holmes, always solving the crime and capturing the bad guys. But a long time had passed since the innocence of his childhood. Van Carlton was not dreaming anymore, and he had become both rich and well known because of the cases he had solved for wealthy industrialists. Occasionally, he would even receive a phone call from a fast-talking, sharp-witted talent agent offering to make a movie about his exploits. Van Carlton would laugh about it and tell them he was much less important than these producers imagined. Either way, success had found him, but he had built the hope of his future success on the cases he could solve today. One email in particular struck him as being very interesting. Van Carlton opened the email, and to his surprise, it was not an offer to solve a crime. The email's content was an anonymous tip giving information about a crime that had not yet materialized. The email read, "The Burgundy diamond will be stolen, and there is nothing you or anyone can do about it. The Fox." Van Carlton Detective Agency, The Burgundy Diamond, in stores now.